Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the KuCoin card. This card allows you to spend your cryptocurrency like traditional money, making everyday purchases simple. You can apply directly through the KuCoin app or website, and once approved, you'll unlock a world of convenient transactions and potential rewards. It's designed for effortless integration into your financial life. Funding your KuCoin card is straightforward. First, ensure your card is linked to your main KuCoin trading account. Then, you can easily transfer supported cryptocurrencies or fiat currency directly to your card balance. This process is quick, allowing you to top up your card whenever needed, ensuring you always have funds available for your purchases, whether online or in person. Using your KuCoin card for purchases is just like using any debit card. You can confidently use it for online shopping, making secure payments on your favorite websites. It's also accepted at millions of physical stores globally. Plus, for cash needs, you can withdraw funds from any compatible ATM. All your transactions are easily viewable in the KuCoin app. Managing your KuCoin card is simple and secure. You can easily review your complete transaction history and monitor your spending directly within the KuCoin application. For added security, you have the option to instantly freeze or unfreeze your card if it's misplaced or stolen. Should you have any questions or encounter issues, KuCoin's customer support team is readily available to assist you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.